We're working hard to keep the SPSCC community healthy and safe, and we need your help. SPSCC has made it easy to access many campus services virtually. You can speak face-to-face with your educational and career planner, a counselor, and financial aid advisor. You'll just be meeting with them in a Zoom room instead of on campus. You can also pay tuition, take placement tests, and engage with other students online. Bonus, you can do all of these things in your pajamas. If you need to come to campus, visit our website first for safety guidelines and available in-person services. We'll keep the latest information easy to find on our homepage. Before coming to campus, do your own health check. If you're not feeling well or have a fever, do not come to campus. We're counting on you to monitor your health to help others on campus stay safe. When you get to campus, put on your face covering and keep it on the entire time you're here. You can help protect the community and make a fashion statement. Keep at least 6 feet between yourself and others. That's 2 tool carts, 7 cakes, 6 balls, or 65 library books. Wash your hands. A lot. Use the chorus of your favorite song to time yourself and wash for at least 20 seconds. Also, sanitize. We've added sanitizing stations around campus. You need to check out every time you're leaving campus by filling out a short online form. Look for the website link or QR scan code on signs near doors and parking lots. If you're only visiting a classroom, you'll fill this out in class. If you start to feel sick, either on or off campus, let your instructor or supervisor know right away. We're working hard and counting on you to help keep our SPSCC community safe and healthy. Thanks for doing your part.